When I started studying blended learning, something that really helped me realize the full potential of the approach was the idea that ponderation could be seen as time on task. So here's a course I teach. The ponderation is 2-1-2, which means that 2 hours of lecture, 1 hour of lab, and 2 hours of homework are budgeted for every week of the course. My lecture was on Monday, my lab on Thursday, and well, I suppose the students did homework on the weekends. But what if, instead of ponderation, I saw it as time on task? If we look at the 15-week calendar, I would have 2 hours of time on task on Tuesday, 1 hour of time on task on Thursday, and 2 hours of time on task on the weekends, for a grand total of 75 hours of time on task available for my course. 75 hours to design the way I best think it will benefit the students. This opened up a world of possibility. I started to think, do I really need an hour of lab the first few weeks? What I really need is to shift that over to lecture time. Then later on, I need more lab time and less lecture time. My course schedule changed drastically. However, the biggest change was in my approach to creating it. I started really calculating how many hours readings and assignments would take, and I intentionally added these blocks to the calendar as time on task. I considered when we needed to be all together as a group and when individual work or small groups was better. The shift from time on task, the shift from ponderation to time on task has been liberating. But as we know, with freedom comes responsibility. Happy designing.